You stop guessing. You start knowing. You know exactly how many leads you got. You know exactly where they came from. You know exactly how much each customer is worth. And you know exactly how much you can spend to acquire the next one. And at that point, all those vendors you used to be scared of, suddenly you have the power because you can tell in 5 minutes whether they're worth a penny of your money. You can look at them in the eyes and say, sure, we can test your ad, but I'll be tracking everything. And if I put $1 and don't get at least $1 back, we're done. And they'll know you're not guessing. They'll know you're not naive. They'll know you actually understand the game. That's what the system gives you. Control, predictability, confidence, and honestly, that's what every small business owner wants. To stop feeling scared, to stop hoping today is a busy day, to stop waking up wondering if things will work out. So let me ask you something, and just notice what your mind says when you hear it. What would your business look like if you actually had this level of control? What would it feel like to know that for every dollar you put in, more dollars reliably come out? What would it feel like to never start the day from scratch ever again? If you're beginning to feel that spark, that sense of, holy crap, this is what I've been missing, then you're already moving in the right direction. And if you want help building this system step by step with people who actually understand small towns and without all the hype, the fluff, and the bullshit, then you're going to love the Small Town Business Growth Secret community. It's where people like you and me work smarter instead of harder, learn the real numbers behind growth, and finally stop doing marketing that only works for everyone else. If that feels like the next logical step for you, you'll find a link below this video. And if you got value from this episode, hit subscribe, give it a like, or share it with another small town business owner who need this light bulb moment today. Because average businesses guess, but the one who step away from average, they track, they measure, they build system, and they win every single time.